This is the Spring 2018 geometry items released in our Edulastic practice test. And we're talking in this video about questions 8 and 9. Question 8 is another probability question. So it says events A and B are independent, and the probability that A and B occur is a 0.25. So our definition for independent event states that if two events are independent, the probability of them both occurring, is the product of their individual probabilities. So we know the probability of A times the probability of B is 0.25, and now this question asks, enter possible probabilities for event A and event B. So we have any numbers that are factors of 0.25 could be the probability of A and B. So what comes to mind first would be a 0.5, right? We know 5 times 5 is 25, so if we say 0.25 divided by 0.5, we get a 0.5. I did that because I thought, if the probability of A is a 0.5 times the probability of B, maybe in your head you knew that 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25, but another way to check that is to divide. So one possible probability for A would be a 0.25. I'm sorry, a 0.5. And then B, the probability of event B would also be a 0.5. Now you could have chosen a variety of different answers for this one. You could have said, maybe you thought, well, if I know the probability of 0.4 could go into 0.25, so I go, okay, what's 0.25 divided by 0.4? It's 0.625. So we could have said probability of event A could be a 0.4, probability of event B could be a 0.625. So as I mentioned, variety of answers accepted here. Now question 9 is testing our knowledge of circle properties. So you see that this angle is inscribed in this circle, and the arc that intersects that angle is 120 degrees. So the property that goes along with this is that this angle would be half the measure of the arc that it intersects. So 120 divided by 2 is 60 degrees. Now, if you didn't know that, you could think, okay, maybe we could estimate this. What if I kind of sketched in that 90-degree angle? I know this angle looks like it's not 120 degrees, it's not matching, it's not greater than 120 degrees, and make a guess, okay? It does look like it could be half of it. It's obviously got a relationship to that 120 degrees. So your answer here is 60 degrees.